To West Bengal, and Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra will appear before the Parliamentary Ethics Committee today in the alleged bribery case. She has refuted the allegations but admitted to sharing parliamentary login with businessman Hiranandani.
While remaining silent on the bribery allegations, the businessman has admitted to posting question on Mahua Moitra's parliamentary login. Now, if proved, this would compromise breach of parliamentary privilege and enough to get her expelled from the House.
Ms. Moitra, who has been accused of conspiracy along with serious breach of privilege and contempt of the House, said that the Ethics Committee may not be the appropriate forum to examine allegations of alleged criminality because it lacks the power to examine such allegations.
In fact, she also repeated her demand to cross-examine businessman Darshan Hiranandani. My colleague Vasudha Venugopal is tracking the latest developments for us. She joins us over the phone line at the moment. Vasudha, a crucial ethics panel hearing for Mahua Moitra, but there's also now a fresh login charge?
Absolutely, Parmeshwar. Today is a very important day, not just for TMC MP Mahua Moitra, but also for the ethics panel, because remember on October 26th, when Nishikant Dubey, the BJP MP, and also Jai Anand Dehadrai, the lawyer who was the first to flag these allegations against Mahua Moitra of bribery, of taking bribes from Darshan Hiranandani, the industrialist, to ask questions in the parliament. When they were questioned, it was actually a very dramatic day because both of them were actually asked a lot of questions. Jai Anand Dehadrai was also cross-examined. So today we are expecting the same thing to happen with Ms. Moitra because the charges are very serious in nature. Ethics Committee Chairperson Vinod Sonkar has come on record to say that the charges are really serious in nature because login credentials have been shared with somebody who's sitting outside India, and we already have this information that's come to us that 47 logins of Mahua Moitra were from foreign sources, from Dubai specifically. Now, this was all by Mr. Hiranandani. Of the 60 questions she asked, 50 were meant to perpetuate the interest of Hiranandani Group, also targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi and businessman Gautam Adani. So clearly the charges are serious in nature. One, of course, on the login credentials, and the second thing of the bribery, which is the main charge. So today what we think is going to happen is basically a lot of questions will be posed to Ms. Moitra. Now remember, 15-member ethics committee has BJP members and also opposition members. Of course, there'll be a lot of back and forth. She is going to make an appearance at around 11 o'clock. She has clearly said that the ethics committee does not have the jurisdiction to look into criminality. Now, that is not completely accurate. That's what I learned from experts, because it does have the power to look into criminal conduct of MPs, and conduct and moral obligations of MPs are very important because these are public representatives. Clearly, what happens if she gets disqualified? Of course, the courts will get involved. So, of course, there seems to be an attempt to make that ground very strong in that case. So she has issued rebuttals, and of course, she has also given interviews refuting these charges against her. But clearly, a very important day for the ethics committee. And after that, we expect the ethics committee to put together this report, and it will be tabled in the first week of the winter session of the Parliament.